the first thing that I wanted to put into this podcast is actually a reply to a video that I did where I was talking about giving a homeless person a Subway sandwich. And one of these individuals said, you know what would have made you a better person? If you bought a homeless person a sandwich and didn't post about it. So the reason why I wanted to actually include this in the video, especially the start of the video, is just to show people that literally no matter what you do, no matter how good you are, no matter what good you provide the world, there will always be somebody who is insecure with themselves, who is trying to put you down, and who is probably in a really dark situation themselves, okay? So you could literally cure cancer, and there is still going to be somebody out there trying to put you down for literally saving the world. You're essentially saving the world. You could literally save the world, and people are going to be like, oh, that's not your job to save the world. Why are you doing that? And you got to realize with these people is that they're coming from a place of just deep anger and likely hatred towards themselves, and seeing anybody succeed or do something good makes them feel worse because they're at a lower vibrational level when it comes to their feeling of self-love. So just realize that if you are interacting with somebody who is kind of like this person in the comments, realize they got a lot going on. So it's not to say that what they're doing is okay, but you need to go in with a higher sense of consciousness and just provide, a loving response the best you can in these situations. It is easier said than done. It takes a lot of time, as you probably will realize.